Shannon Nutrition and Wellness, Nature and Health Retreats. Join me for a magical outdoor adventure. I'm Shannon Sodano, nutritionist plus yoga and fitness instructor, and I invite you to come connect to the joy that comes from living fully in your body, using health and the outdoors to connect to your most vibrant self. Surrounding yourself in a beautiful and serene setting, and having a wonderful 100-year-old home to spend time in and cozy up by the fire. We'll have planned time for activities as well as relaxation. And our nutritious meals are spent al fresco or at a community family-style table prepared for us by our very own cook. We'll take nature walks, do our yoga beneath the pine trees or within a wonderful wooden yoga room. And with a lake and small beaches at our fingertips, plus plenty of paths to explore, we'll remember how wonderful it feels to truly take care of ourselves. Doing crafts and nature activities will help us connect with the seasons, and meditations help us hear our surroundings a little bit more deeply and help us spend time with those that are like-minded and learn to trust people we may have never met before. My passion for exuberant and well-rounded healthy living, plus a drive to explore the outdoors, will help you connect with your childlike side, and most importantly, remember who you truly are. Retreats run mid-winter, plus as spring turns to summer and as summer turns to fall, in the Pocono Mountains in Pennsylvania. Join me for my next retreat, February 8th to 10th, 2013. For more information and registration, visit shannonsodano.com.